Good morning. We are gathered here today to raise our voice in favor of our immigrant sisters and brothers, many of whom who are detained here at the Broward Transitional Center, and many who are in our communities who are being targeted in a very, very cruel way by the state and federal authorities right now. We believe in strong communities, and South Florida is not conceivable without our immigrant sisters and brothers present. And so we are here to say that immigrant lives matter. Today we will have elected officials, we will have community leaders, we will have legal folks, we will have everyone who is raising their voice to say our lives matter. Do not erase us. This was the very same location on Flag Day, Haitian Flag Day, May 18th, 2021. We were gathered here. We sent out a strong signal, and just days later, the Biden administration designated TPS for Haiti. And those three designations of the last 4 years have grown our TPS community from Haiti to over 500,000. And these are the very lives that are being threatened for deportation, are being criminalized by the authorities. And we say that we are here to live, we are here to prosper, we are here to work, to pay our taxes, to raise our families, and to build our lives. And we will continue to do so. And there are many, many, many people who will be present here to raise their voices. So we say, absolutely, 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 our lives matter. We are asking for due process. We are asking for humane conditions inside the transitional center, and we are asking to uplift our communities. Political Director, Family Action Network Movement. Thank you.